typically don't like going to this Lake Ray Roberts, when it's a northwest, unless it's real strong. Just because the direction it's coming from, there's a lot of trees, and yeah, those trees really do affect how the wind comes on, you know, to where I'm at on the water, and it just kind of makes the session no fun. You know, you're sailing along and then you drop, or the angles of the gust are so different once you get to certain points that, like, you know, it's just not enjoyable. But I still go out there even when it's like that. It's just a preference. Usually I'll go out to Louisville Lake, get some more better flowing wind, more comfortable sailing, and more predictable, you know, session. I definitely much rather prefer to have clean wind than dirty wind any day. So yeah, we'll see how it goes once we get there. Looks like we got a little line. It's actually moving quite smoothly. It's going pretty well. Awesome, thank you so much. Yep, you too. Alright, so we got our little permit. Now it's time to head to the water. Wish me luck. Definitely got some usable wind. Heck yeah. Exactly what I was hoping for. This is going to be a good session. Hopefully it lasts. I maybe got about an hour to an hour and a half, maybe 2 if I get lucky, maybe 3, who knows. But at least an hour and a half, I would say, to get the session in. We got some decent wind. Definitely looks like what the forecast says. This is about 16 through 20. I'll be using the 5.2. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up real quick so I can get out there on the water. I'll see you guys out there. Can't forget the handy dandy gloves. It's a little cool out here, so probably about 38, 40. These gloves keeps my hand nice and warm, lets me get through everything real quick. got back from the session. It was a pretty good one, man. The wind was blowing. It was pretty consistent. It was actually surprising for the direction. Usually it's a little bit more gusty, a little bit more unorganized wind. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about the session. Once again, definitely much needed. Wind kind of died off a little bit, so I got in just in time. We'll go ahead and pack up and give me something to eat. Definitely a little hungry, so see you guys on the next one. Peace.